Welcome to this video lecture series of transportation engineering. In this session, we shall discuss on the traffic control devices. The different devices which are used in order to control the traffic are first the signs, second signals, third the islands, and fourth are the markings on the road. The first are the traffic signs. The traffic signs, they are actually are of great help in order to regulate the traffic by imparting the message to the drivers about the need to stop, the give way and limit their speed. And the traffic sign actually awares the driver regarding the conditions or the dangers on the site. They are of three types. First is a regulatory sign, second is the warning sign, and third is the informatory sign. In the first case, the regulatory sign. Now, regulatory signs, they basically are meant in order to inform the road user or the driver regarding the laws, the regulation, and the prohibitions while driving the car or the vehicle on the road. The violation of these signs is a legal offense. That means a legal action or a fine. It can be levied onto the driver who violates the regulatory sign regulations. Some of the regulatory signs are the stop and give way sign. Second is the prohibitory signs. Third, the no parking sign. Speed limit and vehicle control signs. Fifth is the restriction end sign. And sixth is the compulsory direction control and other signs. From the figure, we can see various regulatory signs such as stop, then speed limit 50, speed limit 80 kilometers per hour, no right entry, no right turn, no left turn, no turns, no U-turns, only left turn, straight and left turn. Then the stay in lane, pass with care, do not pass, then wrong way, no parking sign, one ways, pedestrian crosswalks, etc. Next is the warning sign. The warning signs are the cautionary signs which are used in order to warn the road user or the driver regarding certain hazardous conditions that are existing on or adjacent to the roadway. These warning signs are in the shape of an equilateral triangle with its apex pointing upwards. So it is important to know that the peculiarity of the warning sign is that of a equilateral triangle with its apex pointing upwards. The warning signs are to be located at a sufficient distance in advance of the hazard warned against, and these distances are 120, 60, 90 and 40 meters respectively on the national or the state highway, major district road, ordinary district road, and the village roads. And on the urban roads, the provision of the warning sign is at a distance of 50 meters from the actual hazardous site. So here we can see some warning signs like the narrow bridge, road narrow on the right side, road narrow on the left side, road narrow on both the sides, side road junctions on the left, then the opposite road junction left and right, side road junction on the right, railway crossings on the next road, then roundabout ahead, railway crossing without automatic gates, then the Y junctions, then the winding road, first bend to right, railway crossing without gates. So here, as seen, that these warning signs, they alert the driver regarding the hazardous conditions prevailing adjacent or on the roadway. Next are the informatory signs. These signs, they basically are used in order to guide the road user along the routes, and they inform them from the destination and provide with the information to make their travel easier, safe, and pleasant. Some of these signs are as follows. First, direction and place identification sign, facilities information sign, other use information signs, parking size signs, and flood gauges. These are certain examples of the informatory signs, wherein we can see the annotations for the provision of a petrol pump, then the hospitals, the railway stations, then the parkings, the police stations, etc. Next is the traffic signals. Traffic signal, as we know, it is a control device which could alternately direct the traffic to stop and proceed at the intersection using the red and green traffic light signals automatically. The types of traffic signals are the traffic control signals, and second is the pedestrian signal. Now, from the figure, we can see that we have two types of traffic signal. First is the traffic signal for the vehicles, and second one is for the pedestrian signal, wherein the green color is to go, yellow is to go fast, and red is to check if no police, then go. So this becomes the common problem of the people in India or the drivers in India, that the colors or the traffic signals is being understood by this particular way, but basically the correct use of the traffic signal is green is to go, the amber or the yellow color is to go safe, and red is to stop. Whereas for the pedestrian signal, the red, it means that no pedestrians are allowed to move on the crossings, whereas green allows the pedestrian to move on the road crossings. Traffic control signs, they have three colored light glows facing each direction of the traffic flow. Red, it means to stop, green means to go, yellow or amber, it means to the clearance time. The pedestrian signals, they are meant to give the right way to the pedestrians to cross a road during the walk period, when the vehicular traffic shall be stopped by the red or the stop signal on the traffic signals of the roads. The advantages of the signals. Signals basically are provided at the intersections in order to manage the traffic flow, and they provide safety to the vehicular traffic and the pedestrian, and help in order to avoid the accidents. Signals are also easy to understand comparing to the traffic police management at the intersections. The disadvantages of the signals are that the fast moving vehicles may cause rear end collisions at the signalized intersections, and the improper design of a signal cycle length, it may cause the fixed delay. The duration of peak hour unnecessary delay occur at signalized intersections. That means if it is not a peak hour and still the signal time, if it is the same as that of a peak hour, then it will cause unnecessary delay into the traffic. With this, we shall stop. Thank you.